Looks like you need to clean this room, like yesterday. Luckily, duct tape solves all of life's little problems. For once, rolling around on the floor helps you clean a mess, not make one. And if you think this is a good time, wait until our bathroom bonus episode in the end. Picking up's the easy part. Wiping off might be a little harder. On second thought, taking all this stuff off might be the hard part. Nothing beats a yummy lollipop. Except maybe one that's already unwrapped. Yeah, I don't think the 5-second rule's gonna save us this time. Good idea. Let's check our emergency balloon reserves. Great place to keep your stash. There's all that room on the ceiling. Just don't bite into any of the hard candy. Don't play with your food. Better yet, let's make something to play with. Draw whatever you like with dry erase markers. Next, just add water. Look at how everything just pops off. Quick, stick your head in. It's quicker than a tattoo, and no pesky needles required. Wow, this guy sure loves balloons, but they don't return the sentiment. Luckily, Mom has just the thing to help. Oh, it comes in parts. Just give it a good pump. Release, and you'll have a car that runs on air. And it can help make tying up those balloons a breeze. Or some other air-related pun. All those balloons, and he's playing with trash. Just like a cat. Well, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Look at that. He made himself a new friend. He even gets to practice his balloon blowing skills. And this is why you shouldn't play in the trash. Oh, it's always nice to have a friend give you a hand. Good hygiene is always important, but there's such a thing as too much soap. Actually, he's pretty lucky. Could have fallen on that train. But while it's here, maybe we can put it to good use. Fill it with soap, let it congeal, and you've got block-shaped bars of soap. Except bars of soap usually aren't this squishy. I wonder what he's looking for. Apples can be yummy. Yeah, bring on the processed stuff. This extender should help. Much safer than climbing on the counter. Great catch, a candy bar. Even better, it's raining candy. Do you think there's such a thing as too much candy? Nah, me neither. Look, a puppy. Do you think he needs a good home? Oh, come on. How can you say no to that face? Let's just play it by ear and bring him inside. Our new puppy's gonna need a few things to get comfortable. These foam mats make a great fort. The dog might like it too. Like she could say no to that face. No, this time I'm talking about the dog. Maybe we should give this guy some privacy? Oh, so that's where Nemo's been. Everyone's been looking for him. He doesn't look too happy, but what fish out of water would? Much better, though I'm not sure why you already had a filled tank waiting. Looks like a fun toy, but who cares? We've got bubble wrap. Oh no, paint! But maybe we can turn this accident into inspiration. With all these rainbow colors, it's like one of those pop-up toys. Looks like someone else already had this idea, just much, much bigger. Always best to make sure the paint's dry. Did she give him permission, or did she just stop caring at some point? Or maybe she just has a great new idea. A pizza box canvas. Now to put those artistic skills to good use. Wait until you see what he can do with a paintbrush. Looks like he's an artist in the kitchen, too. An abstract artist. And once again, arts and crafts will save the day. This should help keep things organized, and tape will keep it clean. You don't even need to know how to read to use it, but it helps. He seems to be up to something, and the unicorn's an accomplice. Oh, I see. This is the perfect way to organize his toys. And practice his tracing skills. Come on now, don't cry over spilled toys. As I promised at the start, it's our bonus episode. Yeah! Time to wash your hair. Or better yet, time to hire a plumber. And maybe a good massage therapist. This is just not her day. Let's hope this guy has better luck with this bathroom. Guess not. Do you think he's got any ideas? This cleanser should help. Anyone in the mood for a twist soft serve? At least the shower head's a lot cleaner. One problem at a time. Covering makeup with makeup, just like a princess. It's not exactly blending. Maybe a gadget could help. Add citrus, some water, and freeze. Once it's solid, you can roll it along your face. And indulge your skin.